Hey everyone, I'm at the 3D printer right now. I'm going to start doing laser marking on chips as part of my services here. So the standard JEDC trays are 3 times as big as this, which are too big for a standard 11-inch by 11-inch fiber laser table in the marking area. I know I could put like a 300mm lens on there, but when you get the larger lenses, you lose the detail. So I was searching for, half-size JEDCs. I was trying to get the CAD file for them, which was virtually impossible. And then all of a sudden, bam, I found third size JEDC trays, which they are perfect for the fiber laser. So I said, nah, what the hell? It's a 10-hour print. So here I've got some quad flat packs. Right here, there's just at Megas. They fit beautifully in the tray. See if I can zoom in here without shaking you guys all around. Yeah, first time printing with PETG. And got a little stringy on the bottom there, but it should clean up pretty well. Dimensionally, they're fine for, what we need to do with them. So it looks like it'll function and do its job. You get, in the files, they include a lid, which is here, and a tray, which is here. And this one's marked 7x7 because when you do your JEDC trays, you measure the package, which is not the pens, just here to here, which is 7mm by 7mm. Yeah, so it's a 10-hour print, so it's pretty long, but it's something that you can put on and walk away and have a tray. Of course, this tray's going to be just used for marking, then it'll be transferred to a standard size tray for delivery. But yeah, it's pretty awesome having a 3D printer, being able to do stuff like this. So I'll get this fixtured up into the fiber laser, and hopefully soon I can be doing some marking videos on chips. That's the plan. I'm still working on getting the Avon trinocular to do board repair videos. It's too much of a pain in the butt to work around this camera. So I'm really liking this Prusa printer. Everything I've wanted to print or have printed, I just print and it works. It might not come out 100% perfect, but there could be some tuning, but it's not like some of the other printers where you have to fumble around with it and rebuild the printer every time you want to do a print. So I like this Prusa. I think I might get another 1 or 4. But we'll catch y'all later. Have a good day.